Think your bike is safe just because you locked it? Think again. In 2026, bike theft is getting smarter, and some locks barely slow thieves down. Before you buy anything, watch this countdown of the 5 best bike locks that can actually protect your ride. Number 1. Litelok X1. The Litelok X1 features a unique composite steel construction designed to resist angle grinder attacks, offering a strong yet lightweight U-lock design that's practical for daily commuting and urban riding. Built with high security materials and independently tested performance, it provides serious theft protection, making it a reliable choice for cyclists who need dependable security in high-risk environments. Despite its strength, the lock remains relatively lightweight and easy to carry, with a rubberized outer layer that helps protect your bike frame from scratches during everyday use. Designed for long-term durability, the X1 offers peace of mind through robust engineering, giving riders confidence that their bike is protected, whether parked at work, home, or public areas. A lock that actually fights back against angle grinders? That's next-level security right there. Number 2. Litelok Compact. The Litelok Compact features a hardened steel folding design that offers flexibility and compact storage, allowing you to easily secure your bike while folding down neatly when not in use. Its solid steel links provide strong resistance against cutting tools, making it a reliable option for medium-risk areas, while still being lighter and more portable than traditional bulky U-locks. The included mounting bracket lets you attach it directly to your bike frame, ensuring convenient access during rides without needing to carry it in a bag or backpack. Designed for everyday use, it balances security and portability effectively, making it a practical long-term solution for commuters who want dependable protection without sacrificing convenience. A lock that folds, mounts, and protects? That's the kind of smart design every rider can appreciate. Number 3. Litelok Forever. The Litelok Forever features hardened steel plates with anti-drill rivets, a flexible folding design, and a compact mount that easily attaches to your bike frame for everyday portability. With its Sold Secure Gold rating and reinforced structure, it offers high resistance against bolt cutters and tampering, making it a reliable choice for protecting valuable bikes in urban environments. It folds down neatly, weighs around 1.76 kilograms, and comes with a sturdy mounting bracket so you can carry it comfortably without dealing with bulky chains or rigid U-locks. Designed for long-term durability, it combines strong materials with weather-resistant coating, ensuring consistent performance across different conditions while maintaining a balance between security, flexibility, and ease of use. Now that's a lock that means business, strong, smart, and actually easy to carry every day. Number 4. Kryptonite New York Fogatabatit Chain and Disc Lock. This heavy-duty chain lock features 14mm 6-sided hardened manganese steel links paired with a reinforced disc-style lock designed to resist cutting, leverage attacks, and extreme force in demanding environments. Known for its top-tier security rating, it's ideal for high-theft urban areas, giving riders confidence when locking up expensive bikes or e-bikes for extended periods outdoors. The durable nylon sleeve helps protect your bike frame from scratches, while the weather-resistant lock cylinder ensures consistent performance even in rain, dust, and daily wear conditions. Though it's heavier than standard locks, that added weight translates directly into unmatched strength and durability, making it a long-term investment for riders who prioritize maximum protection. Number 5. Autolock Cinch Combination Bike Lock. The Autolock Cinch uses a multi-layer steel and Kevlar band wrapped in a compact coiled design, paired with a resettable combination lock for key-free convenience and easy everyday carry. It's designed for quick stops in low-risk areas, offering lightweight security that's easy to carry on rides where traditional heavy locks would feel unnecessary or inconvenient. Weighing just a few ounces, it coils down small enough to fit in a pocket or saddlebag, making it ideal for cyclists who prioritize portability and minimal bulk. While not built for high theft zones, it's a practical backup or secondary lock, giving riders flexibility and peace of mind during short errands or cafe stops. That's super convenient. Finally, a lock that won't weigh you down on every ride. Your bike is only as secure as the lock protecting it. If one of these locks stood out to you, check the links below and protect your ride before you need to replace it.